Hi guys, Raffy is here and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the first episode of my Art at Home series! Yay! Since the opening of classes is fast approaching and most of us will be working and learning at home, it's very important that we know how to organize our stuff, tulad na lamang ng parating nawawala ng mga ballpen, pencil at marker. So importante na may lalagyan tayo ng mga gamit na ito para hindi siya madaling mawala o ma-misplace. At alam natin kung saan natin kukunin ang ating mga ballpen at pencil kung kailangan natin ito. So today, I am going to teach you how to make your own pen and pencil holder gamit lamang ng mineral water bottles, paint, marker, at papel. At kung ano pa mga bagay na pwede nyo makita sa inyong bahay. Are you ready? Let's do this! So first, kailangan nating i-prepare ang lahat-lahat na gagamitin natin sa activity na ito. So the first step is, hihiwain natin ang bandang ibabaw ng ating mineral water bottle. Mag-ingat lang sa paggamit ng cutter at gunting. At kung hindi nyo kayang i-cut, magpatulong kayo sa mga nakakatanda. Ayan. Ayan, ito na siya. So may naiwang space dito na magsisilbing parang bisagra niya. Ayan, ganyan. So this will serve as the cover, and then this is the body na. So the next step is, lalagyan natin siya ng ating base na white. So I am done applying white base sa ating mga mineral water bottles. So kailangan lang natin gawin, we have to wait for a couple of minutes para matuyo yung paint na inilagay natin. So while we are waiting for our paint to dry, gagawa tayo ng mga details sa pag-decorate ng ating pen and pencil holder mamaya. So let's go! Alright, so the paint that we applied on our bottle is already dry. Pwede sa inyo kung anong gagamitin yung kulay sa inyong pencil and pen holders. So, pipinturahan ko siya ng green. Parang gradient siya. Painting the first bottle with green. The next bottle I am going to paint with red. So I'm done painting the two bottles with green and red and orange. So next bottle will be painted with blue and its shades. I'm down with the last bottle. I'm going to paint it with metallic colors, bronze and copper. I'm done painting the 4 bottles with blue and its shades, and green, red and orange, and the metallic color. We'll have to wait a couple of minutes para matuyo talaga yung paint. So while we're waiting for our paint to dry, gagawa tayo ng mga details pa na pwede natin gamitin sa ating decoration. Guys, so I'm done doing the details of my pen and pencil holder. So I'm done doing the hair, the teeth, and the eyes. We can start decorating now our bottles. Are you ready? Let's go! There you have it, guys! We're done with our pen and pencil holders. Yay! I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa mga videos ko. See you in the next vlog!